Hey developers, welcome back. So guys, in this video, we are going to learn about how to create or check the user is authenticated or not, and also the logout system in this Laravel Vue Js Inertia application. Okay, so now guys, let's get started. So first up guys, we are seeing our products CRUD operation. And if you want to learn how to make the complete CRUD operation in Laravel Vue.js with Inertia, here is a video guys, and this link is given in the description. And also if you want to learn how to make a pagination with Vue.js CRUD operation, you can watch this video. Okay, this link also is given in the description. So now guys, let's get back. So now guys, let's make this products CRUD operation. Like if you are logged in, then only you will be able to access this page. Okay, and if you're not, then you will not be allowed to access this page. And also guys, let us see the login page and add some URLs like nav links about the login, logout, and register. Okay, so now guys, if you want to learn how to create this layout, nav bar, and each pages like home page, about page, contact us page, please watch out this video where I have clearly mentioned about setting up the pages, installing the login, register, logout system in your Vue.js Laravel application. Okay, so this is a complete tutorial guys with a short time. So you can watch this and continue here. Okay, so yep, now guys, let's get back to our editor. And guys, first step, you have to serve the application, which is PHP artisan serve, and we are using the Vue.js, so we have to run the application npm run dev. Okay, so once served, we can get started at this point. Okay, so first step guys, we are on the home page and go to products page. So here I have not logged in, but I'm able to access. So let us check whether the user is logged in or not. So for that guys, get back and go to your routes web.php, and inside this web.php we have a products resource route. Okay, so this is our route guys, that is products, and you are able to see that you are accessing the products. And now let's get back and yep. So to check whether the user is logged in or not, so you can just use a middleware route colon middleware function, and here just add a auth. So auth is a default middleware guys given by the Laravel, which we can use to check whether user is logged in or not. Okay, and now guys, just add a group function, open the function and open close curly brace, and just push this route inside your auth middleware. Okay, so it will check if he is logged in, then only you can access this routes. So now guys, let's get back, and if you refresh, it's already refreshed. Okay, let's go to products. So it's redirecting us to the login page. Okay, so we have to register and login first. So guys, let me just see the database name, what it is. Here we have Laravel 11 tutorial. Let's go to database, and here we are on the user table. Okay, so in this user table I have one record, that is ved@gmail.com. Okay, so if you don't have any record, just go to register and register one record, and then you can continue with login again. Okay, so I have already registered, so I'll be using login part and enter the password. Let's click to login. So here you see you are logged in successfully and you are able to access the products page. Perfect. So now guys, we have seen that how to protect the routes. Okay, so now guys, let us see whether the user is logged in or not in the Vue.js pages. Okay, so here we have to check. So for that, let me just go to this nav bar in the front end layout. Let's move and go to your resource, then JS, and inside this JS you have pages, layouts, components. Okay, so let's go to the pages front end, and inside this front end you have a home page dot view. Okay, so in this home we are seeing one layout we have used, that is front end layout. So go to your layouts inside the front end layout, and inside this front end layout we are using a nav bar which is inside the component. So let's go inside the component and inside the nav bar. Okay, so guys, if you don't know how to create this front end and component nav bar, all these pages, home page, about us page, please follow this tutorial where I have taught completely about how to get started with Vue.js and Laravel with Inertia. Okay, installing and set up the pages, layouts, component, and etc. guys. Okay, so now guys, let's get back and continue. So in this navbar, I'll be adding the link about the products, and here the route will be. So we do not have a route. Let me just directly type it products. Okay, /product. And now guys, let me also add for the login and register buttons. So let's paste here, Control V again, paste and change the to login, and here route of login, then for the register. Okay, so now guys, let's get back, refresh, perfect. So here you see contact us, products. Now if you click on this login and register, it is already logged in as we have done that. Let me click on this login URL. So it goes to the dashboard page. Okay, the dashboard is over here. Let me just show you that page also. So go inside the pages and you will see the dashboard.vue file. And here is your code. And let me just type a h2 tag. I am here with Vue dashboard. Let's save, get back, refresh, and here you see your data is here. Cool. So now guys, we can just copy this drop down and utilize in our front end layout. Yep. Now get back to your editor. Here is a layout, authenticated layout. So let's go inside the layouts, and here is a authenticated layout. Perfect. So now guys, let us move below and check for the drop down here. And here is a drop down. Let me also close this. So here is the UI guys for this. Like this will be your trigger, and this is a drop down content. So now guys, let us just copy this drop down and get back to your navbar. So this is your navbar guys. I mean front end navbar what we have set, and inside this navbar we'll be pasting the drop down code. So guys, we are using a component of this drop down. So what we have to do, we have to import it. So let me just align this first and get back to your authenticated layout, and this is a drop down, which is the drop down and drop down link. Copy this, get back to your navbar, and you have to import that. And now all set. So we have drop down link and the drop down button. Okay, and whatever inside this, here it's telling that page.props.authenticated user.name. Okay, so we'll be seeing how it is coming here. Okay, so yep, let's get back and refresh. So here you see that guys, the logged in username is showing and profile and logout button, and the logout code also will be working perfectly guys, which is about this logout. Okay, so now guys, once you're logged in, I don't want to show this login button and register button. Only this profile should be shown. If you're not logged in, then you should be able to see this login and register. Okay. So guys, for that, you can just use this code. So here you have this variable, right? So you have to use this and check. But before using this, I want to say how this is working actually. So let's go inside the app HTTP middleware, and here is your handle inertia request, and inside this handle inertia request you will see a share function. So inside this share function you see that the auth dot user and the user details are given inside this. Okay, so with the help of this variable, which is globally available on your Vue.js application, so you are able to handle and check that. Okay, so now get back. So here, if you want to set a check like user is authenticated or not, so you can get back again and you can add this code, something like this, and you can remove this. So yep, and if user is authenticated equal to true, return true, else false. Okay, so here check auth you can make like this, and now you will be able to access that. So now guys, let us get back and just print it. So let me print here beside the products, open and double close curly brace. So first you have to get $page dot your props dot your variable. Okay, check auth. So now guys, let us save and see. Okay, refresh. So here you see it is showing true. If you are not logged in, it will show false. So let me just log out. Okay, so it's logged out. And now if you go to your products, okay, let me go to about. Okay, it's showing an error. Let me inspect first. Go to console log. So here you see cannot read the property of name, which is on the navbar view. Okay, so you can just put a if else condition here. Just add a if condition. If it is not available, and this is an array guys. Okay, so you can just see here. So this auth is inside the array format. So what we have to do, we have to check dot length, length. If it is greater than 0, then you have to show this drop down, else don't show. So now guys, let's get back, refresh, and you see that it's working fine. And now you see that on this product it's written false. Okay, so now let me just copy this and use a if condition. If it is double equal to false, then show this login button. Same with register too. So if this auth check is false, then register button will be shown. And the same guys, either you can check this or use the same logic. Copy this, paste here, and if it is true, then you show this drop down. So now if you refresh, so here you see it's showing the login and register button. And now let's click to login. So let me just login at gmail.com, password, click to login, and perfect. So here you see that the way the drop down is showing and login and logout button is not visible. Cool. So guys, this is how you can do the handling of authentication in your Vue.js application with Inertia. Okay. So now guys, in this video, that's it. And if you want to learn more videos about Vue.js Inertia, please comment below with your topics. So I will try to make a video on that. Okay. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and share.